Hi, I'm John Curri with Curri Properties.
And I'm Cindy Rhoton.
And we wanted to show you our latest listing here on the corner of Ormond Drive and Miramar, which is A1A, directly across the street from the ocean. This beautiful 3-bedroom, 2-bath townhome has a lot of really cool features. The exterior really stands out with the Spanish tile roof, the long driveways, paver driveways. A lot of people when looking for townhouses, there's always a parking problem, but here there's enough room to fit about 6 cars, which is awesome. The HOA includes a lot of the maintenance. The roof replacement's covered, the driveway, the exterior paint, the exterior insurance, the lawn, the pool, even cable TV's included. So all that's perfect for if you want to make this a vacation destination and just lock the key and go, or you want to live here permanently full time.
And the best feature is the location. You're right in between two of the best supermarkets. You have Melbourne Beach Market just up the street, and then on the north end you have the new Publix Greenwise Market going in. You have Starbucks and CVS, and you have Bizarro's Pizza. You have a bunch of shops and restaurants along Fifth Ave. This is south of Fifth Ave, super desirable area. You're a half a block to the beach, where there's a crosswalk that you can gain access to the ocean right there. You're about a half a mile to the shops that I was just telling you about, right in between the ocean and the river. It doesn't get any better than this.
I don't think so. I mean,
No.
There's a really nice park down the street.
Yep.
It's perfect for riding your bike.
Absolutely.
You see a lot of people jogging,
Yeah.
walking the causeway just up the way,
Mm-hmm.
paddleboarding, surfing, skateboarding, kayaking.
Yeah.
Really, this location is really about a lifestyle, right?
Yeah, very active.
It's a very active lifestyle, and we're here in beautiful March weather. It's probably 85 degrees, breezy.
Beautiful day.
So what we'd like to do is show you the beach and take you down to the access right across the street. Just imagine yourself walking across the street and seeing this beautiful ocean every single day. Putting your toes in the fluffy sand, looking at the blue sky, the clear water, taking a walk, grabbing a chair, reading a book, cool breeze in your face. This is what living in Melbourne Beach and Indialantic is like nearly every single day. This can become your paradise. From the moment you enter the door of this beautiful townhome, it kind of speaks for itself. Tiled floors, solid surface countertops, lots of open space, beautiful cabinetry, newer appliances, indoor laundry room, half bath downstairs. And all the bedrooms are upstairs. You've got the master bedroom and 2 guest rooms that are surrounded by a loft area. Everything upstairs has hardwood floors, tray ceilings, garden tub, updated bathroom, double vanity, separate shower with beautiful tile and stone Listello, overlooking the pool right behind your unit. The loft area is cozy. The 2 bedrooms are connected with a Jack and Jill bath with nice shower and updated cabinetry. Nice big screened-in porch. Hurricane shutters and a nice porch upstairs that overlooks the downstairs as well. This truly is an amazing beach townhome.